So mate switching in women. So I noticed a lot in the research that women mate switch just as as much as men. Research suggests that to alleviate the cost burden of continuing a relationship with the current mate who provides more costs and less benefits, it is advantageous for women to mate switch in order to pursue the highest value partner. So you'll see that a lot, that they'll leave one person because it's costly to stay with that one person in an effort to pursue a higher value partner that they feel will bring them more status. A woman's mate value could lose status within the group, be a bad father. I'm sorry, a woman's mate could lose status within the group, be a bad father, fail as a hunter, begin to abuse her or her children, initiate affairs, or prove to be infertile. Mate switching benefits a woman in these circumstances. So even ancestral women uh, believe that mate switching would be a beneficial strategy for higher status. Mate switching may be required for a woman if she increases in mate value. So a woman could ascend in status either through her own deeds or through her associations. She could acquire new knowledge or skills that make her a more beneficial partner. So it's the age old sort of comparison. She's moved up and he hasn't. And so basically, if she has moved up, then it's time for her to basically let go of someone else who isn't interested in advancing or moving up. Better alternative mates for the woman who has increased in mate value may become available, presenting benefit accruing opportunities. And some ancestral women, as well as women today, face classes of adaptive problems during mate switching. So um, there may be the decline in mate value of their regular mate. There may be the increase in the woman's mate value. And then there may be the presence of potential mates of higher value that were not previously present or available. So you could be a person who was married to another person or with someone for long-term cohabitation, and then all of a sudden you got a raise, or you got more money or something like that, and the person that you really truly wanted to be with wasn't available at that time. That person was maybe married to someone else, maybe out of town or something like that. But as soon as you got more or you did better, it's almost like you went you kind of looking for that person who wasn't available at the time. Or you could just choose a new person altogether, that the person that um, you no longer want to be with your current mate, and that a person of higher value would be more beneficial to you.